Assalamualaikum. My name is Sofia Bayra binti Yusuf and my metric number is 13 DDT 19F1183. So I'll be presenting the case study 2 presentation of web programming subject. Here I'll be logging into the administrative page from our website of Simple Online Quiz System. Here I'll be putting the username into the admin and the password for the admin. If you want to know if it has the login credential, I'll put the wrong password just in case to check it. It will say the incorrect username or password. So click the OK and then put in the real and the correct password and then log in. It will log into the system of the administrator page. Here I'll be explaining the lecturer list and also the student list. First, the lecturer list. This is the lecturer list in the page. So this is 5 lists. I will add a new one to show you. Here, add one Sarah and put the subject for the lecturer and create the username for the lecturer as well, and also the password. And then save. It will say the data successfully saved. And we will check into the database. Here in the database at the users table, PUAN Sarah has been added into the database. And then if you want to edit PUAN Sarah, for example, you want to edit the username, then save it. It also will change into the database as well as before. It's 123 Sarah 123 as the username, and then we'll refresh it. It changed into 111 as we changed it before. So if you want to delete the list, you can delete it as well here. And on top of that, we can search the lecturer as well. Just key in the name of the lecturer you want to search. For example, I will search the PUAN Fauzia. It will show immediately when I search the keyword name for it. Okay. For the next one is the student list here. It's almost the same as the lecturer list. Add a new one. We'll add a new name of student. Here I'll be putting the name of the student and the class, the username as well, and also the password. Save here. Data successfully saved. So you also can search the name. For example, here I'll search the Noraini name, and you also can edit it. For example, I want to edit the class to S2 and also the username to Aini123, and then it being saved. So we check to the database. Here the Noraini Amira have been added before, and this is the new username. For the class, we'll check into the student table here. This is the class. As from the user ID of the Noraini Amira, we can see here the user ID of Noraima is 28. It will show it there. Also, if you want to edit it again, change it again, click to S1 and add 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we save it again to see if it's also changed. Here it changed as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also the class of the student. Here the user ID 28 change to S1 again. So we also can delete the list of students. And that's all from the administrative page. I will be logged in into the lecturer page next here and put in the key, the username and the password as well, and then log in into it. I'll be explaining the student list. Student list almost it's the same in just as in the administrator page. You can create a new one, new student. Also you can edit and delete, so I'll try editing here. So first, this is the student, as you guys can see. So from the class, it's already been saved. You can see here the S21, the user ID is 18, so we can check it in the user table. Who is the 18? I think it's Sophia Bahira here, and the username is Sophia123. I want to change the class and also the username, so I'll change it to S1 and then 110, already like that. I'll save it, close this, and then check it with refreshing it. Here the username have been changed, and you want to see if the class already been changed as well. The class also have been changed. Okay, so you can also search as well. Here you can search the name, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kirtika Anapanpansi Krishnan, number metric 13DDT19F1022. Okay, so for now I'm going to explain how to upload and download files. So for the admin and lecturers, they will upload and they can view the uploaded file, and for the students, so they can view and download the lecturer's upload notes. Okay, so this is the coding for lecturer and admin part, where we have included header and DB connection, and here we got a title which is notes list, and also we included the navigation bar. So here we have connected with the database. Then we have some post method for the submit button, which it will post name, the size, type of the file, and also we have date, which will record the date of the time we upload the file. So then we have a query which is select from upload, where name equal to name, then it will count the row. And then also we have check to, which is another query which will select from the upload, where the name equal to the name. And then we can see over here, so we have class which is show note list, and we have and label which is we name it as select file. So at here, so we have two input type, which is first input is for the file, so we will the lecturer and the admin will choose the upload file, and then the second input type is button, submit button. So once they click the submit button, the PDF file or any other file, it will straight go to the download part. And then we have a call group, which is we can adjust the width. So I have declared as which is 10%, 70 to 20, so it will look like the 10% which will look like smaller than 70%. Then for the table we have files and actions. So for the action, the students can download the uploaded file. So at the file, it will show the file name that the lecturer and admin uploaded. So this is the part where the uploaded part, select from uploaded order by ID in descending order. So it will show in the descending order. So this is a part for upload, and also we have the coding for the download. Okay, so this is the download part. Okay, so where first we have function which is included the file name and the type, and also we have some size name. Can upload this format, which is PDF, text, HTML until PHP. So the uploaded part, the lecturer can upload it any file in this format. And then we have the file extension, and also so we have the file extension, and also we have some configuration option. So this is the coding for the download and upload. Okay, so let's see for the interface. Okay, so this is I'm at the administrator interface. So at here, okay, so first we have the title, which is note list, and also we have another label which is called select file. So the lecturer and administrator can upload any file, any file related to notes, and also it doesn't matter which format in, because this choose file will accept any format in PDF, PHP, EXL. Okay, so let's upload a file. So for example, I have a PDF file which is called task data connection. So once I open, so we can see the name here. It's the name of the file. So once I click submit, so we can see. So this is the file uploaded, which is I already uploaded the data structure for all chapter and also task data connection. Then this same goes to the lecturer. So let's see for. Okay, so let's see at lecturer part. Okay, so this is the lecturer interface. So whenever I click note list, so yes, so we can see the uploaded notes here, and also the lecturer also can upload any notes related to the subject they are teaching. Okay, so for the student part, so let's see for the student part. So the student can download the notes from the lecturer. Okay, so at here, this is the student interface, which is got the student name over here. So we got note list. So once I click the note list, okay, so this is okay. So whenever the student, okay, for example, I want to download the data structure all chapter notes, which is in PDF form. So once I click download it, so we can see over here, so it's downloaded. So the student can open the notes as well. So this is the notes the lecturer uploaded. So this is the student part. And okay, so the lecturer and the administrator also delete the notes which is they want to delete. So for example, they can delete this. So there will be a message which is, are you sure delete this data? So once they click OK, so the uploaded notes will be deleted. Okay, so that's all from me for the uploaded and downloaded part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SUZANA My number matric is 13DDT19F1204. For today, I want to present for case study for quiz. For quiz, I use coding PHP. Untuk quiz list, dekat sini kita ada add new, di sini coding untuk kita ada button and quiz view for database. Model title, model label, add new quiz. So dekat sini kita ada letakkan quiz FRM, and from group select here query. The script which is document is ready function, data type table, new quiz, add new quiz, edit quiz, remove quiz FRM, and save quiz. This untuk quiz view kita gunakan PHP add quiz untuk buat nak tengok kita punya view kita nak view kita punya quiz. This coding for view quiz, add new student, for name student and student, query, and for save quiz kita gunakan database, and kita connect dengan database sebab nak save. Title, use ID, and ni coding untuk get quiz, untuk dapatkan dia punya quiz, and delete quiz, ini dia punya database. Okay, ini history untuk lecturer boleh tengok kita punya history quiz. There is coding for to quiz record, login, and student name, quiz score, login. Okay, saya akan tunjukkan dia punya output. Okay, first kita akan masukkan untuk admin dulu. Admin user. Okay, sini admin, dia punya password admin 123. So kita just login. Sini quiz list, kita akan add new untuk jawab quiz. So kat sini kita akan buat subject in introduction to web. Okay, so point okay 7. So means sini Puan Suzana. So save. So data saya boleh save, and then jom kita buat add student. Again, dan SUZANA bila, so save. And then okay. So add question. Add question, kita akan letakkan question dekat sini. Question is 2, 5, 10, 25. So means is answer is okay. So we save. So data is successfully saved. I want to okay, there is edit. So means is edit question. Kalau nak edit question pun boleh. Okay, just save. Okay. Ni pun boleh nak edit question. So yang jawab untuk soalan ni 10. So ni save. Okay, so data will be record. And then so mean is quiz record. So dekat sini akan nampak quiz list untuk introduction to network is total question is 1, but point per question is 7. Puan SUZANA. So mean kalau kita nak search nama untuk intro, so mean bila kita search senang. Kalau kita buat banyak subjek pun, kalau kita nak search just tekan search and just type je subjek apa. So macam mana, just type introduction to network and dia akan keluar untuk ni. So dekat sini kalau kata nak so kalau nak delete pun kita boleh delete. So means is delete. Just okay, so dia akan hilang. So kat sini quiz record is kalau nak ni just see data structure and this critical and SUZANA is answer the question for data structure. But kalau for all melainkan subjek lain pun ada juga untuk introduction to network, SMC, SRD. Sama juga kalau untuk search kita boleh je tulis data structure. Kalau untuk introduction to network, so mean no matching result found sebab kita tak buat soalan tu. So kat sini saya akan terangkan pula untuk login for lecture. So the username is Puan SUZANA and dia punya password is admin. So just login. Okay, sini untuk is Puan SUZANA. So kat sini saya akan tunjukkan dia punya quiz list. Okay, so quiz list yang sudah buat is data structure and then question total is 10 and point per question is 1 action, and dia sama je dengan untuk student. Add new, title is intro section to network. Question is 4 semester. When tekan OK, so dia akan pergi dekat sini. So means dia sama dengan add question. For this question man and lan. So I tekan untuk man. So it's save. And data saya sudah save. Okay, so kita dah dapat sini. So untuk student, add student, search here, SUZANA. So save. Dia punya data can be save. Okay, so kat sini dah save. Sama juga kita boleh edit. Kalau kita nak edit, just select je mana-mana and edit. And for first record, I can use means dekat sini pun all data structure introduction to network. No data available in table. For data structure, okay, so wing is critical, APC Kritika ada dengan SUZANA because he data structure for student name. Sama juga untuk search, kita boleh je tarik untuk data structure will be show, but kalau secure tak ada sebab tak ada buat untuk dia punya subject. So that's all. So that's all for my part. For today. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Shazoni binti Ahmad Razi with metric number 13 DDT19 F1064. Okay, now I will continue the presentation for student panel. Before we log in, I will show you the database. Okay, at the quiz_db database, in table users, okay, so here you can see there are user type. For our system, there are three user, which is admin, lecturer, and student. So to log in into each account, we declare different user type for different account for different user. So for user type number 1 is admin, user type number 2 is lecturer, and user type number 3 is students. So since now I will log in into student account, so I will use my own account since my own account is a student account. So I will use my own account. Okay, first enter username and then enter the password. Okay, then click login. Okay, so here this is the homepage for student panel. Here you can see this is my full name. This is my full name to show that I log in into my account. Okay, so at homepage there is a table. So quiz, this is the quiz title, and then total questions for each quiz, and then the status. Here you can see data structures, total question tense, and status taken. So that means the quiz for data structures has been taken. And then for status pending means the quiz is not yet taken. Okay, next I will show you quiz list. Okay, so my quiz list, this is the table for quiz list that lecturer has uploaded, that lecturer has assigned to me. So there are 4 subject: data structures, introduction computer system, introduction to network, and secure mobile computing. For data structures quiz, the quiz has been taken. So there are score, the status taken, and then action will display in different button. Okay, score 6/10, and then status taken, and then action view. So it's different from the quiz that has not been taken. Okay, so I will show you the coding for this page. Student quiz list. Okay, so this is the coding. Okay, include header, include auth.php, and include db connect. db connection is database connection, and then this is the title, my quiz list. Okay, and then this is the table. This is the table width, and then this is the column name. And then here you can see we call the SQL statement. So this is the data in the data in the table. Okay, I++ is the number, and then row title, and then score over total score, and then taken, pending. Okay, here this is the action button. If status numbers below or equal to 0, it will show the button take quiz. The icon will be pencil and then take quiz button. Okay, so we will see here if the ni status numbers ni. Status numbers mean this one. Yes, the score. So if the score below or equal to 0, not available, it will show button take quiz. Icon pencil icon and button take quiz. Okay, so next, else, it will show icon pencil, icon eye and button view. So this one, icon eye and the name of the button is view. Okay, so that's all for the coding for the interface quiz list. Okay, so now let's see for the system towards. Okay, here you can see there are search box. You can search your quiz, your desired quiz. Okay, for example, I will search introduction. Okay, so for introduction there are 2, and then I will continue 2. Okay, after I continue the word 2, it will show introduction to network. It will show the data, the quiz that I'm searching for. Okay, so introduction to. So if I delete this, and then it will show all the quiz title back. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I will show you how to take quiz. Okay, so just click on this button, take quiz. Okay, I will take introduction computer system quiz. Okay, take this button, and then here you can see this is the title, and it states here 1 point each question. So here this is the question, and then you have to answer it. Okay, I will answer the question. Okay, so I finished answer all the question. Okay, let's check again. Okay, answer number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. Okay, so after finish answer all the question, click on button submit. So here you can it says you completed the quiz. Your score is 10/10. So you already state your score here, and then click OK. It will proceed to the view answer.php. So it will show you the score here, score 10/10, and then the rate. The rate, you are excellent. So for rate, there are 3 types of rate: excellent, moderate, and weak. For excellent, it will be the marks will be 8 until 10, and then moderate 5 until 7, and then for weak below than 4. Okay, back to the system. Okay, here okay, since I got 10/10, so it will be excellent. Here the word excellent. Okay, next. Okay, so it will other than that, other than score and rate, it will show you for the quiz that you have answered. Here you can see this is the question, and then this is the answer. So the correct answer will be in green color, and the red color are the wrong answer. So since I answered the correct answer, so it will be in green color. Okay, and then next. Okay, here. Okay, since we have take the quiz, so after we take the quiz, the table automatically change. So here you can see the score, it changed to 10/10, and then status taken, and the action also changed. The button for action also changed, view. So since just now we just see for introduction computer system, so I will click on data structures button view. So if I click on this, so yes, here it state the score and the rate 6/10, and then rate moderate. Since moderate is the marks for 5 until 7, so it will be in moderate. Okay, and then since we have seen the rate for moderate and then rate for excellent, now I will show you rate for the last one is weak, below than 4. Okay, so I will take this quiz, introduction to network. Take this quiz. Okay, so I will answer the question. Okay, then click button submit. Okay, so you completed the quiz. Your score is 1/5. So let's see. Yes, you are in the rate of weak. So state the rate here, rate weak, since I got 1/5. So yes, this is also the same as before. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's see how to upload in hosting. So I have used Infinity Free. So first we need to create account. Okay, so I already create account for the current case study. So which is the name is quizzyfz.com. Okay, so once I created, so I have to click the manage button. Okay, then after click manage button, so we have two button, which is control panel and file manager. Okay, so first for the file manager, we need to upload our project file into this hosting. So for that we need to connect with the FileZilla. So for us connect with the FileZilla, we need to go to the site manager. So first we need to create a new site. So for the new site, I name it as case study, and for the host, port and user password. Okay, so all this information it's provided at here. So we just copy paste the FTP details and paste at the FileZilla. So then we need to connect it. Okay, so we can see over here it's connecting. So once it's connected, so now we can upload our file into our local site, local host project file into the remote site. So we have so we need to click the htdoc. So at here I already uploaded all the files. Okay, so for uploaded, first we need to find the uploaded folder at our local site. So at here, okay, so this is the case study, so this is the file I want to upload. So just click it, just double click it, so we can see all the file and folder inside this case study folder will appear at here. So we need to select which file we need to upload at the remote site. So for now I'm going to select all the file and just right click, and we can see over here the upload option. So just click the upload option and wait for all the files upload in the remote site. So for the status we can see at here, which is it will show successful or unsuccessful, and also we can double check over here with new file and successful transfer. So once it's done, then our work is go to control panel and create a database. Okay, so this is the control panel. So now we need to create an MySQL databases. So I already created. So first at here for the new databases, we need to create a database name. So once insert the database name, just click it create database. So once click create database, the database will be created automatically, which is it will set up the automatic username, password, the hosting password, and the host name is it will automatically generated. So once it's created, just click it to admin. So at admin, so we can ready to import our database. So this is the database I just import from my local host. Okay, so this is the database. So once it's done, so now our work is we need to change the configuration at db.php. So this is the database name, and this is the username. The password name is same with our hosting password, and also this is the host name. So we need to change all these credential at our db connected. Okay, so for change we need to click file manager. So once we click file manager, so it will go to the online file manager. Okay, so this is the online file manager. So let's so we need to change the database connection credentials. So add your db connect php. So just right click. So once right click, there will be some buttons. So we need to edit. We need to click edit. So once it's open, so we can see. So I already changed. So this is the database. So this is the local host name. So and this is the username. This is the password, and this is the database name. So after change all this, just click it save, then close. So we are ready to run our project. Okay, so this is the project. So it's successfully uploaded into the hosting. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.